Hey, what's up everybody? Zach here today with Review Empire, and I just thought that I would do a quick review on this Char-Broil grill cleaning brush. It's a great option. I started using this type of brush about 2 years ago because I found out some facts about these things. You may not know this, but thousands and thousands of people every year are sent to the hospital because they swallow a loose piece of metal fiber that comes off of these grill cleaning brushes, and that just sounds horrible. And I've got babies, and so I ain't trying to be about that life. And so I'm about to cook up some just good old chicken right here. I don't know if y'all know anything about all that, but we about to cook that up. And I was cleaning my grill a little bit, and I thought I need to tell my subscribers about this brush. I will leave a link to this below. If y'all will, just do me a huge favor, hit that like button, smash the like button, and I'm gonna show y'all some things. So it's got a nice ergonomic handle right here. Like, this is something you don't get with other cleaners. Got a little place for your thumb right there. Even got a little grippy. And so it works really well to just sort of brush everything off of there. And although this is not metal, it does hold up very well to high heat temperatures. Now, another thing is that it's got this metal scraper on the back here. You can tell mine is used. And then you've also, this thing doubles up with another. They did a great job designing this thing because it's got another grip right there. And all you do is just run that over, and you can knock all the big chunks off of your grill. And it works great because it makes it really easy to put some down pressure. As you can probably tell, mine's a little warped from all the pressure I've been putting on it. But I usually like to do that one time and then do this before and after, and it usually provides me with a pretty clean cooking surface. So I don't know what type of grill cleaning brush that y'all like to use. This is the Char-Broil. Like I said, I will leave a link below if you want to check this out. If you're kind of shopping for a good grill brush, you can take my recommendation. I've tried all of them, and this one is great because it gets the job done, and you don't have to worry about these things being made out of little pieces of steel that can get lodged into people's intestines. I'm not gonna lie, I have found those in my food before, and just not thought much of it, and I didn't know that it was actually a big problem, and it is. So now you know, so you can be paranoid. No, I'm joking. You don't have to be paranoid, but you might actually, have a safer situation for you, your family, your friends, whenever you're cooking for everybody. Last thing you want is to have a good barbecue day get ruined because of some stupid brush. So what I've done on these little pieces of delight is I just did a good old-fashioned marinade, dry rub, marinade, whatever you want to call it, that I kind of do, where I put red pepper flakes, salt, pepper, Tony's Satcheries, and a little bit of lemon pepper. Man, you want to talk about good. It's so good. But anyway, this isn't about my chicken recipe. This is about the Char-Broil grill cleaning brush. Anyway, this is a short video. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see y'all in the next review video. All right, so I literally could not help myself. I wanted to I know I said earlier that it was the end of the video, but still, smash the like button. Anyway, but I am about to take this chicken off the grill. I just want to show y'all a little something about how mighty fine it looks. I know that some of y'all will enjoy this, so I thought I'd share it. Mighty fine. Been cooking for about 40 minutes, right over the heat. And what I did after about, whenever it started looking like the skin was getting a nice brown to it, I melted some butter, about 2 tablespoons of butter. And I just started, every time I flip it, and I flip my chicken a good bit more than most people do. I like to keep them juices running back and forth instead of all just falling out of one end. Anyway, we'll talk about that some other time. If you have any questions, comment below in the comments below. Hit me up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. Hope y'all are having a great night. I know I am. This is, like I said, this is salt, pepper. Not real heavy salt, pepper. More heavy on the pepper than salt. And then we put the red pepper flakes, the lemon pepper, emphasis on the pepper, and then a light dusting of Tony Chachere's. And let me tell you something, this is just good chicken. This is just good chicken, and then I basted it with butter. And what that's gonna do is just gonna crisp that skin up a little bit. It's gonna get that skin how you want it. I'm having trouble getting my headlamp out of my shot. Look at that. I mean, somebody says, oh, chicken's ready, and they set that right there on your plate. You know what? You're gonna be thinking, man, life is good. Life is good. And I hope life is good for y'all, and I hope you've enjoyed this video, even though it was a short kind of referral video about a grill cleaner. And I hope you feel free to comment, talk to me. Let's get to know each other. Let's share ideas, and let's smash the like button, and let's hit the subscribe button, and let's hit the notification bell. Remember, like button bell, like button bell, like button bell. Maybe I should just name my channel Like Button Bell. Anyway, probably wouldn't work out. Hope you guys are having a great night. We will see y'all on the next review video.